Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B8809P. 77,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, maximum steel metallic in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Compass seats 5. Split seat. Folds flat to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115-volt outlet, perfect for charging those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8809P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.